Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. Today in this video, we will be talking about how we can close our AWS account. AWS Cloud Services, by the way, is one of the most versatile services available in the market, or we can say around the globe. And lot of us actually do not have a reason to close it. But even if it is the case, then in this video, we will be quickly seeing how we can close it. So before actually we close our account, let's talk about what are the services we are using inside AWS. In my scenario, I used to use EC2 free tier and Amazon S3 bucket for my another project. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to delete all those services before I'm going to close the account. For that, what I can do here, I can simply type the service that I used to use. For example, let's start with Amazon S3. So I will be typing here S3, and then you can see it came so fast. So I will be just clicking on the S3 services. Now here I can see I have created one bucket, and here is the content. So let's say you want to save your content inside the bucket, then you can always download it. But in my case, I do not want it. So now what I need to do is I need to delete this bucket. So before I delete it, I need to make this bucket empty. For that, I need to click here empty, and then I can type here permanently delete. So I will be simply copying it from here, and then I will be typing this. So after making this bucket empty, now I will be deleting this bucket. So I just need to type the name. And click on delete. Now the second service maybe you are using which is EC2. So simply type EC2 here in the search box, and then you can simply go to its dashboard by clicking here, and that's how we reach to EC2 dashboard. Now here in resources, you can see what resources you are actually using. And let's say you have created any instance, you can click here on instance, and the way we have deleted the Amazon bucket, similar way we can actually delete it. So you need to click here on action, and then you will have an option to delete it. So what we can do is we can check out the number of instance, and from here we can actually delete that. So in my case, there is no instance running, so that's why it is empty. So here we can see we do not have any resource except this security group. So I can simply click on it and can delete it. But this entry is by default, so maybe we may not able to delete it. So let's try it by going to action and then delete security group. And that's how you can delete the security group if you have created any. Now one more thing, when we create free tier, we use one more service that is known as Route 53. So I will be typing Route 53, and here if you have created anything, you can delete that. So here again, I haven't created any DNS or purchased any domain, so I can leave it as it is. Okay, now let's talk about removing our payment method from Amazon AWS. For that, here again in search bar, we need to type payment, and here we can see payment method. So let's click on it, and if I see here, I can see there is only one card attached, and because of that I may not able to delete that. So it's better we can simply close the account, and after a certain amount of time it will automatically delete it. So you do not actually have an option to delete your card. Okay, so the last thing that got left is deleting our account. For that, what we need to do is you need to click on your username, and then from here you require to click on account. Now let's go down. In the end, here you will see this option which says close account. The reason why we have deleted all the services before closing your account, because your account will remain in post closure period for 90 days, I believe. Yeah, it is 90 days. And if you at any time made a login attempt, you may got charged for the services that you kept active. So this is the reason why we have deleted all the services that we are using first, and then you can select all these options and then can close your account. So before actually we close our account, let's have a quick look on the terms and condition. So here you can read about it. So it says that the monthly uses or the uses of AWS services that you did this month, the bill will generate in the end of the month, and you still may receive the charge for the current month in the next month. And the condition that I talk about, which is post closure period, and if you reopen your account during this post closure period, you may be charged for any AWS services that were not terminated before you close your account. So that is the thing. The second agreement says after a post closure period, you will no longer be able to reopen your closed account. Similarly, if you are using Amazon AWS for a longer period, then you should download any statement or any bill if needed from the billing section right now, because after post closure period you again will not have any kind of access to download your past bill and tax invoices. So if you are a company using AWS for a longer time, then before closing your account, you definitely should download any billing or statement from your account. Then the last agreement says, I understand that after post closure period, I will not able to create a new AWS account with the email currently associated with the account. So this is again one more thing, you may not able to create AWS account with same email. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on close account and then again close account. So that's how we can close our account. And here we go guys, here we can see the message which says account has been closed. And believe me guys, do not try to open your account again, because if you again relog in, you know the consequences, right? You again will enable the services that we have just closed. So that's how guys we can close our AWS account. And at any time up to 90 days you felt regret that you want your AWS account back, what you can do is you can simply log in with same credential and can regain access of your account. So that's how guys we can properly close our AWS account. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.